Today's racing game industry is making a huge mistake. Forza Horizon 5 has fallen victim to it. Grand Theft Auto 5, though not entirely a racing game, has fallen victim to it, and they have no excuse for it. I'll tell you why in a second, but you get the point. Racing games are making a terrible decision, and what is this earth-stopping decision, you ask? The Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. You may be wondering why. Why does this single car halt the rotation of the very earth we live on? Why does this car matter so much? Is it in? Why do I care so much? All except one of those questions will be answered in this video. So, why does this car matter so much? Well, racing games and car game companies have the urge to put in the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX instead of the significantly better 1996 to 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. Let's start with my reasoning. My end goal is to hope that more racing games will add the 99 Eclipse GSX instead of the 95 or add more customizations to either one of them. My first reason to why these games should add the 99 is because of the speed. With the 95 Eclipse topping out at a speed of 137 miles an hour, the 96 to 99 Eclipse comes in at a blistering 144 miles per hour. It's a pretty small difference, you may think, right? Well, what if I told you a trip from Gary, Indiana to the middle of Ohio traveling at full speed and no brakes would take you 2 hours and 4 minutes? While if you rode in the all sexy on a 99 Eclipse, you would come in a time of 1 hour and 58 minutes. That's 6 minutes. Do you have any idea what I can do in 6 minutes? I can finish and then have 5 minutes and 30 seconds to reflect. Next reason is that the 95 Eclipse looks just like a 96 GS. Do you know how insulting that is? A GSX, which is an all-wheel drive car, while the GS is a less powerful front-wheel drive car. Anyway, why would you make the Eclipse GSX look like something less powerful? The only reason that games add the 95 GSX is because of the Fast and Furious, and I bet that that's the only reason why games add the 95 Eclipse. In a racing game, wouldn't you want the most powerful and better looking car over all of the variants of that car? I think you would. And that leads me to my next point, which I will mind you is very subjective. The 99 Eclipse looks so much better than the 95. With a more aggressive front end, small details making it look a lot more like a good performance car, including that almighty and sexy turbo spoiler that was added on the Mitsubishi turbo cars in that DSM period. All I'm saying is that in my opinion, the 99 Eclipse looks so much better than the 95 Eclipse. That's fine if you disagree, but look at them for a longer time and then come back to me and tell me which one looks better. But those are my points. But before I go, I told you why GTA 5 has no excuse to not have the 99 Eclipse added. That's because in the Midnight Club, they literally have a 99 Eclipse GSX. And in GTA 5, they have a 95 Eclipse, but they also have the Calico spoiler, which looks very similar to the Mitsubishi spoiler that was used on the 96 and 99 models. So couldn't you just sweep that file, copy it, paste it over in the penumbra? Please, I will do anything for that. Anyway, that's all I have to say about why games should add the 99 Eclipse GSX, or customizations relevant to it on top of a 95 GSX. But thank you for listening to my ideas, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Goodbye, everyone.